In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom to Jotform. This process is perfect for those looking to automate meeting setups or registrations directly from their Jotform submissions, streamlining your workflow and saving you time. Let's dive into the steps. First, begin by opening your form in Jotform's Form Builder. This is your main starting point where you'll set the groundwork for linking your Jotform submissions to Zoom. Once your form is open, head over to the top menu where you'll find the Settings option. Click on it to navigate to the integration settings. As you look to the left sidebar, you'll see a range of options, but we'll want to focus on the integrations section. Click on this and you'll be greeted with a search box. Here, simply type Zoom to locate the Zoom integration. Once it appears, select it. Now it's time to decide what action you want the integration to perform. You have three options. The first option is Create Meeting, which allows a new Zoom meeting to be scheduled every time a submission is made on your form. Second, there's Add Registrant to Meeting, which registers the person who fills out the form to an existing meeting you already have scheduled in Zoom. Lastly, there is Add Registrant to Webinar, which is perfect if you're looking to register respondents to a Zoom webinar. Next, you'll need to authenticate your Zoom account. This generally involves logging into your Zoom account and granting Jotform permission to access it. If you've connected to Zoom with Jotform before, you'll see your account listed. Simply select it to proceed. However, if you want to switch accounts or add a new one, use the Use Another Account option to make this change. With your account authenticated, you'll need to map your form fields to Zoom's corresponding fields. This ensures that the information collected via Jotform, like first name, last name, and email, is accurately shared with Zoom. If you chose the Create Meeting action, you'll also need to map any additional data such as the meeting date, time, and duration. Additionally, you might want to configure any extra settings to suit your needs. This could be adding a meeting description or adjusting the time zone settings to match your requirements. Finally, after ensuring everything is set up just the way you like it, save the integration. This ensures all your settings are locked in and ready to work as soon as your form submissions come in. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Zoom account to your Jotform, allowing for seamless integration and automation. Remember, the process might seem detailed at first, but once set up, it will significantly streamline your virtual meeting activities.